Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share a quick hack, especially for intraday traders, how they can choose their stock. Now, there are multiple ways of choosing a stock. This is just a quick hack. And remember, investing and trading is risky. So whatever you do with your money, you have to be extremely careful. Do not take any rash decisions and lose your money. And if you do not understand investing and trading, please let the experts do the job like mutual fund houses or fund managers. Let them take care of that part of it. Okay. Now, this is a quick hack which intraday traders can use because over here we are going to see where the FIIs and DIIs are investing on a daily basis. So here we will understand the percentage change of investment that FII, foreign institutional investment, and DII, domestic institutional investments, where it is happening. Okay, and depending upon the percentage change, you can understand that how much percent of infusion is happening in one particular stock. Okay, so the hack is very, very simple. You go to screener.in, like you can see on the screen. And of course, I'm logged in. So Dr. Joseph is already visible over here. And then you go to screens. Okay, so screener.in has a lot of features. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just using this website because it's really good. So you go to screens and you go to create a new screen and you write DII and you can see change in DII holdings. You click on change in DII holding and you put greater than 2%. Okay, so here it is given value is taken in percentages. So even if you write 2, that's more than enough. And you run this query. So when you run this query, you can see 114 results has been found. That means there are 114 stocks where DII have invested funds and it is more than 2%. Now, if you go to change in DII and just click on ascending and descending, here you can see Shivalik Bimetal 17.69%, Indigo Paints 15%. So you can see that DIIs has been investing heavily into these stocks, 17%, 15%, 12%, 11%. So when DIIs will invest into these stocks, there will be a lot of movement in these stocks, especially the price movement. And that is where, as an intraday trader, you can enter into a trade in a stock which has positive movement and you can try to benefit out of that movement. Now, if you're going for FII, all you have to do is put change in FII holdings and again with the same greater than 2%, run this query and you can see there are 118 stocks and you can see 27% change in Gujarat tool room, and then there are many more. You can also do a strategy wherein you download this data by exporting it, put it into an Excel, match it with DII and FII and see if there are any companies that are overlapping. Probably those companies will give you better movement in the price. So friends, if you're doing intraday trading, this hack can be very, very helpful for you to pick up stocks where there is a lot of movement in intraday. Of course, when you are looking for investing for a longer period, you must look into the fundamentals of the company along with the technicals. Now, I have a community called as Masters of Stock Market, where we teach and we discuss long-term investments and trading strategies. If you're interested, the link is there in the description. And if you like this video and the videos that I create, please like and share this video so that like you, there might be many others who would be interested to learn trading and investing the right way. These videos will surely help them. I always keep saying that if you really want to make it big in the stock markets, you have to keep learning, keep growing, and keep getting better every single day. And you need to practice, and you need to have patience and persistence with the markets. That's the only way you can develop yourself and turn into a great trader and an investor in the stock markets. So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Namaskar.